play by USB drive.
There's some things I won't tell you. Baby, don't feed me false. Yeah, that turns me off. If I ask, would you say, wanna be less gonna be okay?
Here's the thing. I'm not a big fan of speakers on motorcycles. I don't particularly enjoy when riders force their music onto others, be it Leonard Skinner, AC/DC, Snoop Dogg, or Taylor Swift. Just no. And before you say anything else, same goes for people in cars. Lowered windows, blasting out, whatever, nobody likes it. Nobody likes when you're doing that. Nobody likes you for doing it. Nobody's going, oh, that's a fantastic song. I wish they could make it louder. So most of the time I have speakers in my helmet, or I'm just not listening to anything and I'm just enjoying the ride. But these speakers, you know, these little cheap things you can buy from Amazon, or you can go the expensive route and get the $300-400 ones. They do just fine. But having said that, if you are a person who does enjoy listening to music out loud while riding, there are some great choices out there for you. One of them is from Kspeaker, who were kind enough to send me a unit to install and test out, and I did that. It's actually pretty great. It's a great speaker system. Am I going to keep it on my bike? Probably not, because of what I just said. However, testing it, the speaker system on its own merit, without all this ideological stuff behind it, it's a great little unit. The downside, of course, is that it's meant to be universal, but it doesn't really fit every kind of handlebar out there. And let me illustrate the situation I ran into. So right now I have it installed on the Triumph Street Cup, the Bonneville. It seems to be the better situation. The reason why is because I tried installing it on the Tiger, but these bars don't have enough room for this universal kind of system, mainly because of this brake fluid master cylinder unit. So there's just not enough room on here. Ideally speaking, this would have been the bike to install it on, because this is my touring bike and my comfort bike and the one I spend probably the most time on. This would have been the perfect bike to test the speakers on, but I can't because it doesn't fit this unit. So I put it on the Bonneville, the Street Cup, and that even that was a bit of a hassle, because I have these Clubman bars, which are kind of like, you know, FAW clip-ons, you know, without being clip-ons. And this was also, you could see the situation I'm in, like it's kind of like elevated. I would have preferred it this way, but this is really the only way I can make it work. And it's a little loose right now because I don't have it installed all the way, because I'm gonna fiddle around with it some more. But overall, this system is pretty sturdy. It plays pretty well. It comes with a USB port right here that you can plug in music into, or connect via Bluetooth from your phone and play it that way. The only downside is that it has to be hardwired into your battery. Now, it does come with the cables for it, and it should reach no problem. I already had one installed, so give me a sec. I'll plug it in a sec, and so you can hear what it actually sounds like. The package comes with zip ties and all sorts of little extras to help you take this wire and kind of keep it out of the way so you don't see it as much. But for testing purposes, I just want to kind of plug it in and just to show you what this is like. So you can, now it comes pre-installed with some music already through this little USB kind of a drive, and it has some music on there to test out. Turning it on. Okay.
Play by USB drive.
There's some things I won't take. Baby, don't feed me false. Yeah, that turns me off. If I ask, would you say, wanna be the last girl to play your place? Ooh, you're making me strong.
Anyway, you get the point. Of course, the key is to remember to turn it off, otherwise it'll just drain your battery. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with this system. I have to say it's sturdy, very well built. I wish the options for installation were a little bit more universal, I guess. Maybe a couple more options available, not just the ones that it comes with. Otherwise, it doesn't fit every single bar. But in all honesty, I mean, the target audience for this is probably cruisers, and those tend to have straight bars, so this shouldn't be an issue for you. All right, so anyway, if you are in the market for some speakers for your motorcycle, I would give these guys a try. Kspeaker. They have a couple of options on their website. Like I said, fairly easy to install as long as you have the right kind of bar, which is a straight bar. Has radio, has Bluetooth functionality, and as you heard, the speakers are pretty good. As always, thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It'll help my channel grow and allow me to make more videos like this. In the meantime, take a look at some of the other videos, and I will see you next time. Ride safe.